Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with a cracked display, and it's gonna be a good one. So David is here. Let's get right into it. So a client of ours has requested us to fix his wife's smartphone right here. They took it to Samsung at first, but Samsung, when they fix your device, they wipe out all your data. So it's gonna be an issue because our client here wants to save their family photos saved in this phone. So that's gonna be a bad idea to just wipe it out and having no backup at all. So David here is just gonna perform the screen replacement while maintaining the client's data and photos. So after this, it's gonna be a working smartphone and they will be able to access their photos. So it's a good idea to back up your smartphone, especially the photos that you have. Most of the files that we see on smartphones are photos and videos that has not been uploaded to the cloud. If you have a Google Photos subscription or any other cloud storage subscription, you have to sync them up on using your home Wi-Fi, not on your mobile data, and have at least a backup of your photos so that you will not have difficulty when resetting your smartphone. So right here we have already removed the back cover and the cover for the wireless charging module. We also removed all the connectors going on the battery. So those are the connectors from the main board up top to the daughter board at the bottom. You have already removed the daughter board for charging, and now we have removed the main board. Next up, we're gonna lift up the battery using this pull tab. It's gonna be a very tricky situation, but David here making it look easy. Just the right amount of force, not too much to damage the battery, not too little that you don't really get anything done. So now we're just gonna remove some miscellaneous parts from the old screen and housing assembly, because we're going to replace this entire piece. This is the front camera. We're going to remove that and transfer that to the new housing and display. And here we are in the replacement unit. Brand new display and housing. So it's going to look awesome after this fix. We transfer the main board, the battery, and then the daughter board. Just going to press it in. There you go. Connect all the cables. Overall, the screen replacement for an S23 Ultra is relatively easy if you have the experience and the tools to do the job. But the components required, this screen and housing module, cost a lot of money. So if you don't want to risk damaging your device, or you don't want to damage the replacement display that you just ordered online, then just go to Sydney CBD Repair Center or your local service technician so they can source the right part for you and also do the job, so that you don't have to think about any incident because you just wanted to save a few bucks. So David here charges reasonable prices for all his repairs, and you can see here all our functional smartphones. We have lots of good reviews on Google, and of course you can access us through social media and YouTube. You can see our work history, the devices that we've worked on in our YouTube channel. Definitely like and subscribe, and that's David there. The cameras are all working. The display looks magnificent. All we have to do now is put back all the screws that we have removed and reassemble the whole thing. So if you're near Sydney, definitely visit us. If you're not from Sydney, you don't want to travel far, you can mail in your broken smartphone, especially flagship ones like an Asus ROG phone, an iPhone, or this Samsung S23 Ultra. We'll fix it here in the shop, and once we're done, we're gonna ship it back to you in good working condition. Final piece of this repair, the back cover. You position it and press it back in. There you go. Then final testing to see if smartphone is still working, and it did. Now we're gonna put a free glass cover. This is not tempered glass because the side on this one is sloping, which is nice, but when you apply tempered glass, it's just gonna have an overhang on both sides. So David's gonna use this plastic cover. It's okay for scratches, but it's not gonna protect it from breaking. There you go. This is how you install it. Just squeeze it down. There you go. That's how the pros do it. So if you have any questions, guys, leave them down below. If you have any reactions to what we do here, suggestions on repair videos that you want to see, leave them in the comments down below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We release new videos every day, and we are thankful for almost 10,000 subscribers that we currently have. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?